गायनोकोमेस्टिया एक ऐसी कंडीशन जो काफी लड़कों को प्यूबर्टी के टाइम डेवलप हो जाती है. Majority cases में it reverses on its own, but in some unlucky cases it doesn't go away at all. And I was one of those unlucky ones. I still remember being 13 years old when I started noting lumps around my chest. We went to doctors and most of them said the same thing. You have nothing to worry about. But I personally knew something wasn't right. तो जैसे साल बीतते गए, my chest kept growing. School was crazy. People used to make jokes, come and pinch my chest, and I couldn't even complain क्योंकि मैं teachers को जाके क्या ही बोलता. Personally, whenever I looked into the mirror, I hated what I saw. No matter मैं क्या पहनता था, मैं इतना गंदा लगता that I used to start crying. I was literally uncomfortable in my own skin for almost 10 years. But somehow I never let it take away my happiness. I've always been a very happy kid. Anyways, at 15, I decided to fight back. I started working out. So years went by, I transformed my physique. I gained a lot of muscle. I lost a lot of fat. And to be honest, I got into really aesthetic shape. But the gyno never left. Sure, it reduced, but it never completely went away. I still couldn't wear tight t-shirts. And that's when I accepted कि कुछ battles सिर्फ efforts से नहीं जीती जाती है. Sometimes you need a different solution. So after carrying this insecurity for almost 10 years, on 21st April 2026, I got my gyno removed. I got the surgery done. And for the first time in a decade, I finally feel free with my body. And the thing is, जब मैं पीछे मुड़कर ये पूरे 10 सालों को देखता हूँ, sure I have a lot of resentment for it. But कहीं ना कहीं मुझे थोड़ा सा grateful भी feel होता है. Because ये insecurity ने कहीं ना कहीं मेरी पूरी life shape की है. It pushed me into the gym. It taught me discipline. It made me work harder than most people around me. It forced me to build confidence from somewhere deeper than my appearance. It put me through years of emotional battle with myself that I feel made me very strong. The biggest insecurity of my life ended up shaping my character, my confidence, and the person I've become. Anyways, now that this chapter is finally over, it's time to build the craziest physique of all time. I'm ending this one here.